All right, crochet family, hello. I decided to do this video a little different, so I'm just coming to tell y'all that we are going to get straight into it. I took some pictures, so I'm going to actually show y'all through the pictures, and I'm going to talk over the pictures of how I made this hat. So it's going to be a quick, easy, all-in-one tutorial. If y'all have any questions, leave a comment below and I'll try to get back with y'all. I hope y'all really love it. Let's turn this camera so y'all can see what materials you need to make this hat. Okay, so for our materials, we're going to need a 5mm crochet hook and a weight for a yarn. I'm using Red Heart Granny Square yarn. I absolutely love this yarn. So let's get into it. For round number 1, we are going to do 10 double crochets into the magic circle. I always chain up 2 to begin each round, but you do it whatever makes you comfortable. For round number 2, we are going to do an increase, which is 2 double crochets in each stitch around, and you will end that round with 20 stitches. Then we are going to head over to round number 3. We are going to do 1 double crochet in the first stitch and then an increase, which is 2 double crochet in the next. Repeat that all the way around for 30 stitches. So for round number 4, we are going to start with 1 double crochet in the first 2 stitches, and then we're going to increase in your third. Repeat that all the way around for 40 stitches in that round. For round number 5, we're going to do 1 double crochet in the first 3 stitches and then an increase in your fourth. You will end that round with 50 stitches. Our last increase round is round number 6, and you're going to do 1 double crochet in the first 4 stitches and then an increase in your fifth, and do that all the way around for 60 stitches. For rounds number 7 through 12, you're just going to do 1 double crochet in each stitch around, and you're going to end each of those rounds with 60 stitches in each. Now, for round number 13, we are going to be working in the back loops only, and you are going to put 2 double crochets in each stitch around. Then we're going to move on to our next round, which is round number 14, and do the same with 2 double crochets in each stitch around. We are forming the ruffles for the first bottom row. Then we're going to go with 1 double crochet in each stitch around, and then you're going to finish off that round because that is your last ruffles for that round. Then we're going to move into that row, which is row number 13, and you're going to work in that stitches that we have from the back loops only. My finger is showing you where we're working in. So then when you get there, you're going to put 2 double crochets in each of those stitches around, and we're starting that top row of ruffles, and it will look like this. Then we're going to keep going, and we're going to put another 2 double crochets in each stitch around for that next round of that top row ruffles. It's looking good, y'all. We're getting there. Our last, we're going to do the same, put 1 double crochet, and y'all, we are finished with this hat. Look how those ruffles look. I think it turned out really good. I actually add a little more ruffles to this one. Y'all let me know what y'all think about it in the comments below. And as always, I am your one and your only Lady of Crochet, and I will see y'all in the next one.